I'm going to be opening my 2024 Flowing Hair Silver Medal. See if I'm lucky enough to be one of the few to have the Privy mark. Shiny. And unfortunately, no. And if it would have the Privy mark, it would be right here. And you would also see it, a signature here, and you would have it here in your paperwork. So unfortunately, I am not one of the lucky few that will have the winning lottery number, or medal, I should say. And nobody's been showing the backside, so I just thought I would show it inside the box. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.